Alright, so we're going to go over some writing strategies to help you form introductory paragraphs and to help you write your concluding paragraphs. And keep in mind as we go through these different strategies that each one can be personalized so that you are able to contribute your own voice to the paragraph, right? So you can tell your own stories or anecdotes, find quotes that feel important to you that are interesting, list off trivia, facts, or figures that didn't make the cut when you're writing your body paragraphs that you really want the readers to know, right? So all of those things for introductory paragraphs are really helpful to connect to the reader and allow you to provide your own voice. And similarly for the concluding paragraph can help you wrap things up. Now a couple of words of wisdom before you go through this. In introductory paragraphs, you still do need to work in a last sentence thesis statement, 1 to 2 sentences, 2 sentences tops, that outline the rest of the paper for your reader. And in this thesis statement, absolutely avoid phrases like I think, I feel, I believe, or phrases like in this paper I will write about, because that kind of negates the introductory method that you've applied. It kind of changes gears in a way that we don't want, right? And in your concluding paragraphs, things to avoid, long-windedness, kind of a verbal barrage where you have a very long concluding paragraph, and bringing in new information into the concluding paragraph. It's kind of a fine line to walk when you're wrapping up a paper, that you're not bringing in outside sources for the first time and referencing them for the very first time in your concluding paragraph. All right, so those are some pieces of advice to add to the lecture notes you'll click through. I have additional resources on these different methods. If you would like to read more about them, just let me know and I can send you links to different readings on introductory and concluding paragraphs.